Hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube. Right now we are trying to cook our national food. It's called pising. Pising with coconut. It's yummy. This is our dried pising. It's our national food in the mountain province or the Cordillera. So we are cooking right now to serve for our sisters, brother and sister here in Church of Agape. Welcome everyone. So yummy. There we go. And the tad-tadding of the carne also. To mix with the pising.
The tad is over.
It smells good.
Para lalabas yung
ginisa sa sariling mantika. Ayan. O, diba? Ganito lang naman kami kasimple. During our day off, ganito lang kami kasimple.
Ang ating pising.
O, ating sariling pising.
Ito ay galing sa ano? Galing sa Kalinga ba? Kalinga? Ipogaw?
Yes. Ito ang ginawa nila para hindi po siya masira. Naka-drive po siya ng 1 week bago dalhin dito sa HK para hindi po masira sa sasakyan and then sa plane. Ayun, nag-flight po yan. Galing pa ng Pinas. Go. Yan po.
And then we mix the bawang and the bawang. Okay.
Right. Luto na yung pising.
Awan amad.